The kind-hearted woodcutter. Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled deep within a lush forest, lived a humble woodcutter named Thomas. He was known far and wide for his strong work ethic, gentle nature, and above all, his unwavering kindness. Every day, Thomas would venture into the heart of the forest, where he would cut wood to support his family and earn a modest living. One fine morning, as Thomas was setting out on his daily journey, he noticed a wounded bird lying helplessly by the roadside. Its wing was injured, preventing it from flying. The compassionate woodcutter couldn't ignore the creature's suffering and decided to take it home, nursing it back to health with great care and tenderness. During the bird's recovery, Thomas discovered his deep connection with the forest and all its inhabitants. From that day forward, Thomas's heart was filled with immense gratitude and love for the woods that had given him so much. He felt a sense of responsibility towards the trees, animals, and plants that coexisted with him in harmony. He began to make a vow to himself that for every tree he cut down for wood, he would plant 2 more in its place, ensuring that nature's balance remained undisturbed. As years passed, Thomas's forest flourished with new trees sprouting all around, creating a breathtaking green haven. Animals felt safer, and various birds flocked to the area, adding their joyful melodies to the symphony of nature. One day, a terrible storm struck the village, wreaking havoc on the forest and Thomas's home. Several trees were uprooted, and countless birds and animals lost their shelter. Thomas was devastated to see the destruction, but refused to lose hope. With the same kind-heartedness he had shown the injured bird, Thomas and his fellow villagers worked tirelessly to rebuild their homes and replant the fallen trees. The whole community came together, united in their determination to restore the beauty of the forest they loved so much. News of Thomas's noble efforts spread beyond the village, and people from distant lands came to witness the miracle that was unfolding in the once battered forest. Thomas's story inspired countless hearts, and soon, other villages and towns began adopting his practice of planting 2 trees for every one they cut down. The forest rejuvenated, thriving with life and beauty, became a living testament to the power of compassion and responsibility. Thomas's act of kindness had a ripple effect, touching not only the forest, but also the hearts of those who heard his tale. The moral of the story is that small acts of kindness and responsibility have far-reaching consequences. When we show compassion towards others and the environment, we can create a better world